Well, howdy ho, good neighbor. Today I'm sick, and you can hear it in my voice, but here's what I'm sick of. Look at this. We have a leak inside our house. That's not just a small leak either. Look at that. That's a pretty good drip. But here's what I wanted to show you. Look at, we have trees that are blown down. Oh, here comes a car that's trying to get in. Let's see. You'll have to go around the tree. Wow. Yeah, I can feel the water. You can see it. So, this is our leak fix. You can see it dripping real good over there, too. Yeah, so I think our windowsill is bad. But let's go look at the front of the house. Yeah, this is what it looks like out in the front yard. And you can see that that tree is big and it's losing limbs. They've already cut down 2 of these trees around here, and those 3 are the last ones. So they might have to go someday, but you can see that car over there got a big branch on it. All right. Yeah, look at the lake on the sidewalk. All right. Yeah, what do you think? Yeah. Trees are coming down. They call this a pineapple express, or a, what do they call that? Atmospheric river. All right, let's go look at our leak one more time in this dark house. At least we still have power. Whoa. Almost saw me. Okay. I'll have to keep an eye on this water. And the trees. Well, as always, I want to thank you again for coming along with me on these trees blowing down adventures. You know the drill. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz. Bye-bye, everybody. I said bye. Postscript, P.S. You can see the wind has calmed down, and look at the size of these, I guess, branches. But this tree has really held its ground. It's, like I said, but those branches were pretty big to come off. I'd hate to have a car right there. Look at that. But yeah, I moved my truck to the other side of the road. Yeah, that thing has really been twisted, hasn't it? But let's go look at the main feature. This sidewalk was all flooded, but there is the main feature right there. You can see that the roots weren't that deep. You think they're, oh, the birds are eating all the worms. Look at, let me try to zoom in there. Yeah, the birds are getting all the goodies. But that sucks, because this is a tree that my crows, not my crows, the crows. So there you go. I'm surprised there's not more trees blown. Oh, son of a gun. As soon as I say that, that tree is blown down. Let's go look right here. Oh my goodness. This tree has blown down too. These trees on this street have made it. Oh no, there's some down there that blown over. You can see, let me zoom in down there. So there are more trees that have blown down here. Let's go look at this one. Oh, that's too bad, because this tree was kind of like their main. Oh, that's too sad. That's a beautiful pine tree too. Look at that. That wind just ripped it right out of the ground. Look at that. That was a healthy tree too. So that tells you how much wind we had yesterday. That was a healthy tree and strong. Look at it. Just ripped those roots. Does that look weak to you? I don't know. Maybe it was rotted. Well, that's it. Devastation here in Alameda. Like I said, there's some trees down there, but that one is really sad. All right. Well, all those made it, all those trees. But these trees did not. But that big one down the road, it just lost some branches. Okay, well, let's call this postscript over. As always, I want to thank you again for coming along with me on these postscript adventures. Trees down. I guess the wind got up to 75 miles per hour yesterday. All right, you know the drill. Peace, love, and all that hippie jazz. Bye-bye, everybody.